as we saw last time, Schleim thinks that the biggest sort of problem for the two-state solution is the sort of nitty-bitty nature of Palestinian enclaves within the West Bank. Likewise, that there's no territorial contiguity between Gaza on the west and the West Bank, which is actually in the east of Palestine, of course. And he says that really all they could hope for is Bantustans, which is a reference to the history of Southern Africa, which are enclaves surrounded by military. So he's mixing his sort of the countries he's talking about here. But he's saying that if there were a Palestinian state, then it would simply be little pockets of Palestinians who would sort of essentially be cut off from other Palestinians on a little island surrounded by military bases and Israelis, almost like a ghetto, which is a controversial term because obviously it's been used a lot to refer to the way that communities of Jews were treated as sort of islands within cities in the West. Again, showing the importance of being careful with terms. So this is why Schleim says he's a supporter of the one-state solution. But the problem is he still is not even optimistic about that. He thinks the two-state solution is totally unachievable. He thinks the one-state solution is almost entirely unachievable. However, that it would be a better option and that its chances of happening are slightly higher than a two-state solution.